Hello, welcome back, and today I'm going to explain on how to install the Visual Studio version 2022 on your PC. So this is going to sound for the fully IDE and the code editor for the softwares. So for a quick way, now we just need a browser. It's my browser, Google Chrome. You can use Edge, so I'll open this up real quick, and I just need to type Visual Studio, and I search this. I'll select the Microsoft.com link, so I'll select, I will scroll this down to downloads area. There's community, there's profession, and enterprises. So I'll go for the community, and it's now downloading. I'll pause this and skip because it's ready in my downloads. I already did the downloads. Here are my downloads. Visual Studio setup. I run this. It's now loading. We wait for loading. When it's done, it should open. It's just almost 2 minutes now. Yeah. So as you see, this is my Visual Studio Code Community 2022 version 17.9.5, and here are some phases to integrate some web and cloud, desktop, mobile, and more to integrate with our Visual Studio Code, gaming for C++, everything to integrate in our Visual Studio Code. So I just need .NET Desktop, and I just need Universal Windows Platform Development, and I'll need data storage and processing, and I'll need Visual Studio extension. These are my basic. I don't need the Linux for now. I just need this for this .NET multi-platform. It's just building Android, iOS, so I just need this for .NET Desktop, Universal Windows, and I need data storage and processing, and particularly the extension, the Visual Studio Code. It's how to install. It's 20, but exactly it's 6 GB. The option here, I'll just leave it and install while downloading. So I'll install right away, and here's our installer. Here's the download process, and it will be installing as it downloads our folders. So as you see, it's almost 5.12 GB, and our download has started. So now after installing this, we need to open the Visual Studio, and here is our Visual Studio after the installation, and this is how it looks like. This is 17.9.5 2022 Visual Studio Code. So I'll create a new project right away, and here are some phases to integrate with. Here are the projects to integrate with. As you see, scroll wrong way. For me, I would just go with Windows Forms apps, works with .NET Framework, and I'll create this next. And I need to create my project for Windows Form apps. So my project, I'll say Jolly 2. That's perfect. Now specify the location. If you need to change, you can browse and change the location. For me, I'll leave it as it is. Now press my solutions and projects in the same directory. So now all I need is to create this project right away. You don't need to know much about .NET frameworks for now. Let's just create this project. Creating. It's gonna take like 20 seconds. Yeah. So here is how it looks like. This is my form, and the left side of screen, it's my toolbox, can pin and unpin this. Here are my containers, and here are my common controls. You can use the button. Oops, I'll expand this. You can use the buttons. So many tools in here you can use Visual Studio if you really want to develop an application. So you can customize, you can just see how it works. You can edit the text, probably it's just the basics. So I'll end this video right here. So this is how to install Visual Studio, and this is for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe.